This may be a key effect in Alexey's Graviflyer. This is the same kind of thin textured aluminum that he's using, except this is only 150 millimeters, not 220 like his. So it's a little small. I have it warped because I don't have any magnets or electric fields to warp it. The demonstration is to show that a rotating disc can deform and cause lift. And I'm going to show you something really interesting here. Okay, as I spin this up, it's going to gain some weight because the weight goes up because the lift is actually pushing down at the moment. The way the wing is oriented inherently drives air up. Now, as I increase the RPM, listen for microtones. When it gets over 4 kilohertz, the weight goes negative. So these tones are deforming the disc in a way that gives it lift. Without those tones, it didn't have any lift. It actually was creating a down pressure. But when you get the RPM right, vortices form around the edges of this spinning disc, and the vortices carry away a tone and momentum. Way overdriving this little fan. And again, my disc is much smaller than Alexey's. And as we all know, big propeller pushes more air. But watch this. As I bring the speed of the motor down, the harmonics stick around. Before, at this voltage, I had a positive gain. This is at 11.8 volts. Now I'm at 10.8, and I'm still negative. This is at 8.4, and you can see the weight is still negative, showing that the disc has lift. I'm going to bring this all the way down to 0. Okay, so the scale didn't change calibration. And now I'm going to bring it back up, and you'll see that, oh. It's getting heavier. Now I'm at 11.6, 7, 8, 9. There it goes. It's got lift. That's an airfoil. The harmonics vibrating on the airfoil generate lift. Like and subscribe if you want to see more. That's one hypothesis that actually generates something. Now to try it with bigger discs.